Good everybody, it's Vickers Engelbrecht here with another crypto roundup, and it's the 23rd of December. Yes, I've been one day late with the video. I've been on holiday for a few days, but I really wanted to make this video because things are happening and I'm excited to bring you some more crypto news just before Christmas. Let me say this in advance. Hope you and your family have a blessed time in this period. In South Africa, it's summer holiday. Hope you rest well. Hope you get rejuvenated and a new vision for your lives. And yeah, I'm excited to go into 2024 because I think the crypto market is ready to boom and there's a lot of things that's going to happen. So, but I hope you guys have a blessed Christmas. So let's jump in and see what's happened the past week. We're going to look at the latest news, and then I'm going to show me the money feature as well, where we're going to look at crypto money making strategy number 4. So cryptos, there's the signs are on the table. It's being institutionalized. We're going to look at that. The ETF meeting, yes, BlackRock is gaining closer and closer, more momentum to that ETF, that spot ETF that we're all waiting for. And then the Bitcoin miners, they have a windfall in terms of fees. And then meme mania with Solana breaking the bank and going all the way up with over 800-900% growth. And yeah, let's jump in. But before we do that, if you find value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, give some comments. We want to grow this channel. My aim is 1 million profitable Kryptonians over the next 7-8 years. I call it #1MPC30. So help me, join me, let's grow this. Tell your friends, family, colleagues. We want to grow this channel so that people can get knowledge, get educated, and then start profit from their education. If you haven't done yet so, please register for my newsletter. That's a fortnightly newsletter, and my weekly crypto videos. That's the one that you're seeing now. If you haven't registered that and you want the video to be delivered to your inbox, just click on the link that I've supplied in the description, and I will send it to you every Friday, and every second Friday, the newsletter. Awesome. Crypto, institutionalized. So historically, the market has been dominated by unregulated trading venues and the retail investor. But nowhere else have been more clearly visible that the crypto market has been institutionalized, meaning big institutions are becoming part of the crypto landscape, and it's no more evident than in the derivatives market. If you follow these videos closely, you'll remember that at some point I've had an insert about the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, that's traditionally looked at as a traditional finance exchange. They have become recently, they've beaten Binance as the Bitcoin futures exchange. So Binance was, for a long while, it was the crypto exchange that was the biggest in Bitcoin futures, but now a traditional finance institution like CME exchange, they have beaten Binance and have become the leading crypto exchange for BTC futures, or a normal exchange that's providing BTC futures. So that's one instance that is showing that cryptos, the institutions, is realizing that, hey, things are happening. We need to be part of this. Let's jump on. BlackRock, Van Eyck, Fidelity, all these guys are already on. Now these people are seeing that we need to become part of it. And this is great because the moment big institutions become part of it, the price of Bitcoin, the price of altcoins will rise, and more momentum, more traction is a whole part of this thing. So you can see there the Chicago Board of Options Exchange, Eurex, CFO.X, AsiaNext, and all 24 exchange. All these exchanges have that provide derivatives have become prevalent and mainstream in terms for institutions to get into the crypto game. So this is excellent news. I'm glad this is happening. Then also on top of that, the ETF, the Exchange Traded Fund, you remember there's the talk of BlackRock want to launch. They're the largest fund manager, asset manager in the world, with trillions of dollars under their management. They are looking to be the first already, although there's already a few companies that registered to provide ETF services, a spot ETF service. They are the ones that is communicating, liaising with the SEC in terms of to fine-tune this ETF that they want to, spot ETF that they want to be the first. When this SEC announce or approve the spot ETF, Bitcoin ETF, they want to be the first to start trading in this instrument. So they've had meetings, they already had meetings with the SEC, but now they have sent representatives to the SEC for a second time this month. Last month, they discussed BlackRock's iShares, the surveillance system to mitigate market manipulation. The SEC wants to make sure that the application fulfill all the requirements that the SEC has put down for an ETF. So they are applying the normal ETF regulations to Bitcoin and the crypto space as well. Also, BlackRock has recently revised its ETF proposal to include cash redemptions, aiming to meet the SEC preference. Because, this is important. They want to safeguard the product, safeguard it for their customers. So this is great news, and I think the momentum is building up, and we should be seeing January, early January, if not maybe latest February, we should be seeing an approval coming through from the SEC for a spot ETF. And lastly, the market watchers are following this ETF story because of the potential upwards pressure an ETF listing could put on a Bitcoin's price. And we've seen it numerous times. The moment the ETF goes live, there's a lot of upwards pressure on the price, and that's exciting. So make sure you have access to an exchange, start preparing your cash to get it into cryptos the moment a spot ETF is approved. Then also a windfall for crypto miners, or Bitcoin miners more specifically. The latest increase in fees, or the average transactions on a Bitcoin blockchain, surged to over $37 last Sunday, which is the same level as April 2021, when it was at the height of the bull market. So this is interesting, and if you wonder why it happened, it's because of the resurgence of ordinals. So ordinals is just the Bitcoin version of where cryptos can be stored, and more specifically is the storage of inscriptions, which is Bitcoin NFTs. So because the moment you store something on a blockchain, usually crypto or Bitcoin, the Bitcoin blockchain has been used for transactions, for payments, but now it also has been used for NFTs and also called inscriptions. So ordinals is the protocol for inscriptions to be stored on blockchain. So there's been an increase and uptake on ordinals or inscriptions. More people want to save their NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, hence an increase in fees for the miners, and this is a very cool emerging feature of the Bitcoin blockchain, because now it's not only a payment system, but it's a landscape that has been also providing storage services, or where you can trade NFTs from. So it's growing the usefulness, the use case of the Bitcoin blockchain. which is also exciting. But the miners had a good windfall in terms of profits. Remember, in 2024, around April 2024 is going to be a halving event. So you'll see a lot of these Bitcoin miners are realigning themselves because there will be a decrease in their income from next year. So they are looking for efficiencies, looking for partnerships. So there will be a huge consolidation of Bitcoin miners in the near future. So, and then meme mania, I think this is just to show our memes, like the bonk from Solana. Recently Solana and the phone, the Solana phone, they had, there was a decrease in the sales of the Solana phone, blockchain phone, but when they launched the bonk token on the Solana chain, and they said that you can have you can have free tokens once you buy the phone. Then there was an increase in tokens, or the price of the tokens, and an increase in the sales of the phone. So, and all that caused Solana to overtake XRP or Ripple in terms of being the 5th largest cryptocurrency according to market cap. So, I mean, Solana has fended off a lot of issues since holding huge holdings in FTX. So there was a lot of challenges, but they've came out of this very competitive. They've realigned themselves, and they have now grown their market cap over, or total value locked of over $1 billion. I mean, they're back to $9,500 per Solana token. So this is excellent for Solana, and I'm glad for these guys. It's a solid blockchain. There's a lot of scope to grow. So well done to these guys. And if you hold Solana, you are at the right place. So well done to that. Yeah, so that's our breaking news or our inserts for this week. Our money-making strategy is strategy number 4, which is the trading signals and the HODLNots scores. So if you are looking for cash flow, so if you already have some cryptos and you want to grow this portfolio of yours, you just don't want to hodl, wait for the ups and the downs. You want to actively increase the value. Then Bitcoin Trend and Forecast, that's my crypto education and trading partner. They are a trading academy. So they don't trade for you. They don't make any promises. They teach you, just like a university will teach you give you the skills in engineering or in becoming a doctor or whatever. They are doing it for the trading community. So they are a trading academy, and one of the courses is the HODLNots live scalp trading course. If you're looking for cash flow from your crypto portfolio, or you're looking for signals, trade setups that will give you the exact entry point, exit point, the stop loss, where you must put your stop loss. These guys provide that for you. I'm excited on the HODLFire. That's the one product that I'm testing at the moment for myself, and I'm super excited because the success that I get from this product is incredible, and I'm looking forward. In the new year, I will tell you more about this HODLFire product. It's amazing, the accuracy and the consistency that it provides. So watch this space. I will bring you more on the HODLFire. Very nifty product, and it's for people that is starting to trading, that's new to trading and wants to make some money, and to prove themselves that they can make money with cryptos. And this is one product that I'll really recommend, but more on that later next year. So hopefully you find some value and you realize, but these videos are very educational, so I would like to keep you up to date with the main stuff. But sometimes you just say, but whoa, because this is over my head, I don't know alpha from Martha. So, but if that's you and you maybe need some more hand holding, maybe need some more personal attention, then consider becoming a RH Crypto Wealth member. And that's where I'm just going to take you by the hand and give you some more continuously providing small bits of information on a regular basis to the community, to people that's my members. And the whole thing is to give regular information or more regular education, training in smaller formats, but more regularly. Because here's the truth. A while ago, let's say 2-3 years ago, 5 years ago maybe, just doing a quick online course or watching a few YouTube videos, you would have been updated with the crypto space. But now things are moving and evolving so quickly, you can't keep up. Just doing a course, the moment you do the course, the information is already outdated. That's why I try to provide you more regular information every week, and that's the aim for the new year. Also live webinars, where I'm going to provide information, value to my members on a regular basis, just for people to become informed, and then based on those information, you can make proper investment decisions with your cryptos. So if that's you, you want some, I will give you the video recordings of every week. You'll be part of the live webinars that I'm going to have with the crypto influencers. Like I'm going to have the people from Bitcoin TAF, Trend and Forecast. They're going to be here, Wendy and Marius, all those guys. I'm going to pull in some guys from the exchanges. So yeah, we're going to have lots of fun next year. It's going to be very educational, but we're going to grow this community. So just look me up at dickersengelbrecht.com. Follow the screens and they will give you the correct information. And hopefully I'll see you on the other side where we can share, grow together, and grow the community as well. So that's a wrap from me. So please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share it with your friends, colleagues, and family, and comments. I really like to hear what you think about the content. And yeah, from that, I want again wish you all the best for this Christmas. Happy New Year for you guys. I'm sure we'll fit in another video before year end. But from me and my family, my wife Ilse and myself, be blessed, be greatly favored, and we see you guys in the new year. Be blessed, stay safe.